Hi there, I thought I'd share a full-length version with narrated instructions of my Madagascar vanilla extract video on my IGTV channel, so here it is. There are many recipes online with varying vanilla bean to alcohol ratios, depending on whether you want to make an infusion, sort of flavoured alcohol, a single strength extract or a double strength extract. Now I wanted to make something comparable to commercially available extracts, so I chose to make a double strength extract, and I found the recipe on Unstructables.com, and I'll put a link in the description. This particular recipe recommends using grade B, also known as extract grade beans, because they are drier, have less water content, so are lighter in weight, therefore give you more vanilla flavour for your money. But the recipe does say you can use grade A premium beans too, and all you have to do if you're using grade A is to compensate for the higher water content by increasing the number of beans that you use. I wanted to be sure of the quality and provenance of the beans that I was using, so I chose Madagascar Bourbon vanilla grade A premium beans for my extract. The recipe recommends using about 30 grams, say 8 beans per 250 ml of alcohol, so 90 grams per 750 ml. So I weighed my beans and they did weigh a little heavier, so I just upped it to 100 grams of beans per 750 ml of alcohol. So firstly, you need to sterilise all the equipment you're using, your knife, your bottle stopper and your funnel, just so no germs get into your extract. Now you have two options here. If you want your extract to be flecked with vanilla seeds, then slice down each pod to reveal the seeds and scrape them out and set the seeds aside. If you don't want to have seeds in your extract, just omit this step. If you're using grade B beans, you won't be able to do this anyway because they're too brittle and dry to scrape the seeds out of them. To increase the surface area of bean exposed to the alcohol, just snip your beans into 1.5 to 2-inch sections. Then simply add the vanilla seeds to the sterilised bottle, followed by the chopped beans. And then finally add 750 ml of vodka. Shake the bottle vigorously, then store it in a cool, dark place away from sunlight. In the first week, shake the bottle daily, and in weeks 2, 3 and 4, shake the bottle a few times a week. The extraction process takes 6 months, after which you can use your extract if you wish, but it will be far more improved if you wait 12 months. The recipe does recommend removing the pods at the 6-month stage, but you don't need to discard them, you can use them after drying them out to make vanilla sugar. So it's ready to use after 6 months, but much improved after 12, matured by then, and it just continues to mature like a fine wine. It doesn't have an expiry date. So there you have it, very simple and easy to make Madagascar Bourbon vanilla extract. As I say, this isn't my recipe, so full credit goes to Unstructables.com. Thanks for watching.